In this part of the video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to identify whether a market is in an upwards or downwards trend. And in the following video, we're going to be looking at ranging markets. But for this video, I want to show you guys exactly how I quickly identify whether a market is trending up or trending down. So you can choose any time frame. Normally, I choose the time frame I'm going to trade, which is the 8 hour. Okay, so you can really see that the 8 hour over this big ranging period looks like it's actually going sideways. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drop down to the 1 hour, which I was currently trading today off of, and we can see that the market from one side of my screen to the other looks like it's gone down, sideways, and back up. Because the back up momentum is actually broken out of the sideways momentum, I'm going to assume that that is the trend starting to go up. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw one line on the screen just to see where price fits the best. So all we're going to do is just draw a line horizontally and just put it on the line. You can see that I've gone through the wicks, the bodies, absolutely everything. Because this is the part we actually need to tweak. So I'm just going to bring up my candle, see the low of the candle there. I'm just going to make sure my trend line is touching the bottom of the wick. And then I'm going to do exactly the same on the bottom, seeing how much data we can actually capture in the middle. So I'm just pulling it down. So I'm going there. I can see I've got a bit of a touch. Not quite a touch there. So I'm going to go about there. The reason I've gone there is because you can see that I've got all the touches there. 2, 3, 4 touches and there. I've got a given rule, anything more than 4 touches can be a trend. But the other idea we need to introduce is the fact that if we've got higher highs and higher lows and the market has literally gone down, sideways, and now we're looking for an upwards trend, any high that we've made in the ranging period, we need to break, which is here. So this is the high. Okay, I'm just going to clear the screen. This is the high of the range. Okay, so this is the high of the range. So what we've done is we realized that the market started to trend upwards. So this part would be where it breaks, would be the point where I would suggest the trend is actually starting. So in this case, we haven't actually got 2 to 3 touches on a trend. So I'm going to be waiting for a bit more data, i.e. the market to go up and to come back down before I can confirm that this is a valid uptrend. And there's a big difference between a market trending upwards and a market that's trending upwards that's valid. And I'm going to cover that more in later videos. So you can see that the market is broken up from the ranging period. It's come back down, tested the top of the previous high of the range swing, and then it's been used as support to start our uptrend. So this is the area that I'm going to be looking to take for a direction. I'm going to be looking to go long, but I'm going to be waiting for more data and more details just to confirm that this is actually a valid uptrend. Okay. I'm also in the next video going to teach you how to look for downtrends. And we're going to do a bit more advanced stuff on identifying trends, ranging markets, and I'm going to give you a system on how to actually trade these trends as well.